Hello. I have some sourdough starter here that I made Wednesday. Today is Saturday. Now how I made it was with 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1 packet of yeast. And I stirred it around really good in this glass bowl with a wooden spoon because that's what they always say to use. And I put it in a glass pantry cupboard thing that I have for 2 days. That would be yesterday, Friday. So yesterday I dumped it all into a clean bowl, which is this other bowl here, and I removed 1/4 of a cup of it, threw it out, added 1/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour and 1/4 of a cup of water to it, and I stirred it. Well, today it was perfect. I even could have made some yesterday because about 4 hours after feeding it, it was nice. The smell was good, the texture was good, everything was perfect to start it. But today it's raining, and I thought, well, I don't know if I want to tackle bread on a rainy day, but I decided to. So I've got some dough rising. We'll see how it does. I'm not sure. It really is coming down out there. And I removed a cup of this to use in my dough. So I added back in a cup of all-purpose flour and a cup of water. Not milk this time, water. Milk is only used the first day. So I stirred it up really good. It's going to go back into my pantry, and I'll be able to use it again tomorrow if the bread does not turn out today.